Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Mwaka, the Wifeprenuer. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe. So welcome to another vlog. So on this vlog, I think it's gonna be a week in a life or something like that. First thing that I want to show you guys is just how grown our garden has become. You can see the before on the other side, either here or here. I'll put the before on how we were first working on this garden and expanding it, and now again few weeks ago I also added a bit of space, so because I got more seeds and then I had to make space to plant them. So let's just quickly look at how our garden looks like. So this is basically how our garden looks like from the last time that we were preparing everything. And then this is our potato, guys. This is our potato, and it's not one potato, oh sorry, this is our potato. And then yeah, my battery is low, guys, so that is how it's going down there. And boom, look at those tomatoes. We did the transplant. I've given a lot of tomatoes. The day before yesterday I had to uproot this because it's like I didn't know they really cluster this much. And here there are only few stems, but they look like it's a lot. It's just one stem here, the other one is here, and then the other one is there, but it looks really a lot. And those are the beans. I don't know what I'm doing wrong with. I think they are being attacked also, because you can see from the yellow leaf there, that yellow leaf and the ends of the leaves. So that one is my first time planting beans, so yeah, I still have to find out, and I can't wait guys. This means progress. Soon we are going to eat. And our curly, this is a few more weeks, a few more days later. This is how our garden looks like. This is how the curly looks like. And then I just let it for a few more days. And then our tomatoes, there we have them. I cannot wait for the first harvest. I'm really happy. I've made it. This is like an achievement, guys. It's so it feels so nice. Right now, guys, I'm only using Blue Death. If there's anything that you can suggest that I should use for my garden, please let me know in the comment section. I'm already selling, guys. I'm already selling like that, huh? So pre-order guys. On this channel we're all about making money. And yay, our first harvest, guys, our first harvest. And you know what it means for a caprivian. We know what it means for a caprivian. Oh, I enjoyed myself so much. Dinner was ready, and I was like, I am just gonna grill this meat with my 5 years, with my pap. If you know me is pap. So, and this was my dinner, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I'm here at venue. My dad just sent me a parcel, and that's what I was picking up. I'll show you when I get home. And it's so funny because dad sent me something, and my sister also, our elder sister, sent me something. So from here I'm going to collect some more, the one from my sister. So this is at venue. The bus is from Katima. So I'll see you again. So we are at Wifeprenuer. So guys, I forgot to record the part where I was opening the whole process, and the first package is from my sister, and it's all kinds of leaves in there. Matila, chindambi, mundale, inyangu, and sour milk. The stuff, the white stuff that you see on the leaves there, there was a bottle of sour milk, and there was a misunderstanding when she sent the things to Windhoek. She was expecting the parcel to be delivered the following day, but I guess there were no cars in Katima to leave that specific day, so it stayed like 2 days with them. That's why the sour milk opened up and busted. So everything was covered in sour milk. There were like 2 bottles, but one was successful, and you see how I've been reserving it for the past few days. Yeah, so I'm so grateful, Vansala. Thank you so much. You know, I'm really far from home. This is like 1.54 kilometers from home, but I still get to eat, and that is matila. We call it matila. It's in the family of cucumber, I guess. That's the bottle that busted actually. So I may be far from home, but I eat like I am home. And those are my beans, my favorite, my husband's favorite.
These things, they grow
in
fungus.
this house, shame. So that is all that we got from my sister. Now let's open package number 2 from Daddy Dear. Let me give you guys a brief relationship that I have with my dad. He's a good guy, very open-minded. Yeah, so I am named after his mother, his late mother. Her name was Mwaka, my name, the channel's handle's name. So I am basically his living mother right now. So anything, whatever that I need growing up to today, I'll just call him and say, son, I need this. Son, those shoes that I saw wherever, I need them. My guy will make a plan, and whatever he needs will be like, Mom, I need this, and I have to make a plan. So we got more matila, more mundale. It's just awesome, just awesome. I'm gonna get fat again, you know, all that I'm gonna eat with sour milk. That's why my sister had to send sour milk, because she also sent her matilas. I think they're in the cucumber family. I don't know the English name. I'll try to find it and then I'll leave it somewhere. So that matila, growing up back in the village, you eat that with sour milk. You can eat that for breakfast, you can eat lunch, dinner, whatever the case. And there is some peanuts. I love me some peanuts. My husband loves himself some peanuts. So, and that is a bubble fish in there. In some parts it's known as catfish. It's slippery, it's black. Yeah, and this fish, it's only me and my dad who used to eat it growing up in our household. My mom would cook it very, very nice, fresh or dry. She just used to make a delicious, you know, meal out of it. But she'll not eat it. None of our family members will eat. It's just me, my dad, and my late sister Monde. Yeah, it was so thoughtful of him to send me some bubble fish. We're gonna enjoy this. Yeah, and then we have my guy here, my guy. Out of everything, the only thing he saw was beans. He loves beans. And you know, if it's him doing this, then you know you must back off. You must back off. Yeah, it was really a nice day because this is all we ate. It felt like being at the village again. It's just that I missed the pot. Usually at the village, you know, the 4-leg pot. It would be nice if that food was coming, if the food was coming from that pot.
and from the firewood. Yeah, the old golden days, village life. Let me know in the comment section if you also grew up in the village and you just enjoy this kind of life, the kind of food. You know, you come from wherever, from the field, so tired, you just sit under the tree. Those who were left at home, they just bring you this and you eat. And this is the close view of the dry fish, and my husband is just spraying some vinegar on it to avoid the flies. So we ate this thing like nobody's business. It's tasted so nice with the vinegar on and the salt. It was really fish biltong, you know. We just came up with that. See how it demolished everything. Oh gosh. If you've watched this vlog this far, I know you're enjoying it. So please guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share this channel to your friends and family. We are on this channel, we're all about entrepreneurship, productivity, as well as social media growth. That means making extra cash using the power of social media. Thank you so much guys for the support that you have been showing me from United States, from Nigeria, from Ghana, Namibians. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much. Let me know in the comments where you are watching this video from. This is the same day. This is the sour milk that we got, and I'm just simply going to put it in here and add some fresh milk to it, and this will help it thicken and also just, you know, quality and quantity at the same time. So the full milk or the fresh milk must not be from the fridge. It must stay outside of the fridge, at least at room temperature. That's when you can add it, you know, to the sour milk. And this is the sour milk, I think after a week or two, and I've already added the second 1 liter of milk, fresh milk, to it. And yeah, look at the consistency. And this is, you see the quality of the sour milk, and this is exactly after 2.5 weeks, you know. And this is just like breakfast. This is pap from yesterday. That is just how I live my life. Yeah. When I'm in the village mood, nobody can take me out of it. See you in my next vlog.